Jai Hind student, today we are going to discuss the another important topic, that is price elasticity of demand. In the previous topic we learned how quantity demanded is related to own price of the commodity. We learned that decrease in own price of the commodity cause extensions of demand, while increase in own price of the commodity cause contractions of demand. It is important to note that while discussing the concept of extensions and contractions of demand, we do not talk about the degree of change in quantity demanded. We only talk about the directions of change. Degree of change in quantity demanded or the degree of extension contraction in response to change in own price of the commodity is the subject matter of elasticity of demand. In fact, elasticity of demand is the measurement of the degree of change in the demand in response to change in own price of the commodity. In other words, we can say that price elasticity of demand is measurement of the degree of change in the demand in response to change in own price of the commodity. It is also defined as the ratio of percentage change in quantity demanded commodity to the percentage of change in its price. The formula is elasticity of demand, or we can say price elasticity of demand, the percentage change in quantity demanded of commodity divided by percentage in the price of the commodity. Means it means that elasticity of demand is equal to percentage change in quantity demanded upon percentage change in price. Price elasticity of demand or elasticity of demand both are the same because price is the most changeable factor that influence the demand. Now degree of form of elasticity of demand. There are 5 degree of elasticity of demand, that is perfectly elasticity demand, perfectly inelasticity demand, highly elasticity demand, highly inelasticity demand, unit elasticity demand. First, we discuss the perfectly elasticity demand. When the demand of the commodity rise or fall to any extent without any change or without very little change in its price, the demand for commodity is said to be a perfectly elasticity. In other words, we can say that if there is very high variation in the quantity demand without any variation in price of the commodity, it is termed as perfectly elasticity. By the formula, you can see that P bar is equal to D up and down, means P price is constant and demand is increase and decrease. Under this situation, horizontal straight line demand curve are created and elasticity of demand is infinity. Next, perfectly inelasticity, when the quantity demanded of commodity does not change in all the respect to change in increase or decrease in the price of the commodity, the demand of for that commodity is said to be a perfectly elasticity. In other words, we can say that if there is no variation of quantity demanded in spite of very high variations in the price of the commodity, the demand for commodity is termed as perfectly inelasticity. Here demand is constant but price is up and down. Here demand curve is vertical to y-axis. Next, highly elasticity demand curve or elasticity demand, that is elasticity is greater than 1. When the percentage change in quantity demanded for a commodity is more than percentage change in the price, it is termed as highly elasticity demand. The elasticity of demand curve show that when the price fall from OP to OP, means demand curve rise from OQ to OQ1. The demand curve is flatter. In such situation, elasticity of demand is greater than 1. Next, highly inelasticity or inelasticity demand. When the percentage change in quantity demanded for a commodity is less than the percentage change in the price, it is termed as highly inelasticity demand. In this, demand curve is steeper. In such situations, elasticity is less than 1. And for example, demand for necessity goods like food, grain, salt, water. Next, unit elasticity demand, when percentage change in quantity demanded for a commodity is equal to percentage change in price, then it is termed as unity elasticity or unitary elasticity. In such situation, elasticity demand is equal to 1. Thank you.